done a fantastic job in becoming very strong in marketing on digital. Wesley, keep up the great work and keep helping people.
Yo, Wesley, I want to give you a big shout out, player. I heard you doing some good stuff where you are. You trying to reprogram people's mind, man? Is that what you're trying to do, man? Try to reprogram mind, man.
Big shout going out to Wes for being a marketing genius and a master influencer. So nothing but respect for Ice-T, nothing but respect for you, Wes, and continue to help people get themselves together so they can eliminate the limits.
Shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is Anka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him a message very quickly. I said, yo, Wes, teach me, please. Now I'm the CEO of a virtual agency that grosses $75,000 per month. Living the American dream. And it's all because of what I learned from Wes.
Shout out to Wesley $1 Million Virgin for changing something that I never knew was wrong with me. I lost both parents this year. I was pretty much at ground zero. I ran into Wesley and within days, I started changing my mindset, changing my thought. And now I'm at the point where I'm in a car that I never thought I'll be in. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. I just purchased it here. I'm making thousands of dollars a month.
Hi, Wesley Virgin. This is a shout out to you. Wes, you are helloing a ton of people, changing their mindset to live their dreams. Keep changing the world for the better.
I was 12 grand in debt, personal credit card debt. Now I'm a lot more confident. I'm feeling a lot more strong. And more importantly, I don't work at the car sales lot anymore.
I'm not paid to say anything that I'm about to say. I'm just a regular Joe who used to make $17 an hour, and now I make over $35,000 a month. Just recently, after I physically met Wesley, I now have 2 extra revenue streams of income. And in less than a year, my life has changed. My family's life has changed. And I would love to say thank you so much, Wesley.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Maya. Just wanted to give a huge shout out to my mentor, Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. And I can honestly say, after going through the Millionaire Mind Hack program, my life is changing. He gave me the courage to pack up all my stuff, quit my job, and move across the country and do what I want to do and go after my dreams. That's just what I did. And I can honestly say, ever since doing that, I've been making 10 times more than what I would be making back at home. So I just wanted to thank you for that. All praise to the Most High. God is the greatest. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.
Hi guys, my name is Anaí. This is my brand new Lexus RS 350 that I just got. Giving my testimony to Wesley Virgin because he had changed my life. On my birthday this year, he appeared on my Facebook. Before Wesley, I was depressed, I was broke, I was sad, I was fat. Then I pray God and I say I want better for my son. I have a baby. I'm making thousands of dollars a month on online marketing and I lost weight. I'm happier. I meditate every day. Wesley really wants you to win and he'll help you. He'll support you through that. You have to believe and you have to take action. Please believe Wesley is the real deal. He will change your...
Hey, well done, Wesley, on everything you're doing over there, man. Keep inspiring people, okay? Giving them hope, get them a way out. Be great.
Wesley Virgin. Why? Wesley's a marketing genius. Helped a lot of people get focused on achieving their own dreams. Congrats, Wesley. Keep up the great work and keep helping people. That's what entrepreneurship's all about. Share it. Pass it forward. Take care.
This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Listen close. Let me give you the one thing that a billionaire gave me when I was broke. He said 2 things. Learn more. Hey, let's go. Learn more, baby. Woo!